Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make another super easy cocktail, the strawberry mimosa. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. And all we need is 3 ingredients to make it. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need orange juice, champagne or sparkling wine, and some fresh strawberries. Alright, we're going to start by adding strawberries into a blender. Next we're going to add orange juice. Now we're going to blend them. And I think that was the hardest part. Now we're going to pour the strawberry orange juice into a champagne glass. And last ingredient, we're just going to tap it out with champagne. And we're ready to garnish. And this is how you make the strawberry mimosa. If you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And as always, until the next one, cheers!